How to add products on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add your products on TikTok Shop. So first things first, let's go over here on the left side. Look over here. There's a category or a button that allows us to view everything related to products. If you click on manage products over here, this is where you will be able to see all products that you currently have, whether it's live, deactivated, or under review. Now, in this section, you will be able to click on the Add New Product button over here on the top right. Simply select this, and you will be redirected to a page that is designed to get information for you to be able to add your different product information. You will be able to enter information such as the following. Let's simply wait for it to load so that we can check it out. Over here, as you can see, you could upload basic information such as the photos, the product name, the category, the product description over here. You could even use an AI to help you with generating the keywords. You could upload some videos over here. And then there's also sales information and shipping that you will be able to input about your product. You could also see a preview over here on the right side on what it would look like upon search result, upon live, and even upon product details over here. After entering the necessary information, simply click on submit for review and TikTok will review that product over here, and eventually if it's accepted, you will be able to now view it under your live over here, as you can see. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.